guys, welcome to our last science experiment. Today we are going to be doing Bubble Brew!
You're going to need 4 cups of water, a half cup of liquid dish soap, 2 tablespoons of sugar,
and a bottle and cap. So we already put 4 cups of water into the bottle. And next we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar in there. Now we're going to put half a cup of liquid dish soap into the bottle too. Now we're putting the cap on and mixing it up a little till it's all mixed together.
Oh, sorry. Now we're going to let this settle until all the froth, the bubbles on top, are gone.
15 minutes later.
Now it's time to blow some bubbles.
Yay!
So you can use your hands, but we're going to use wands. To blow bubbles, you can put it in a little bubble bottle or pan, something where you can easily dip your wand or your hands in. Thank you guys for watching our last science experiment.
We really enjoyed doing them with you.
Bye!
Have a great summer.